number 10 is asking you to simplify. So you have 5 minus 3 root of 7 times 6 plus the 4 root 7. So I use an older method called FOIL. I'm not exactly sure how Mrs. Erb taught you, but I will show you what I did and you'll end up getting to the same answer. Your process might just need to be a little bit different. So when I talk about FOIL, I mean it stands for FOIL, and it stands for first, outside, inside, and outside last. So what I do is my first step is to multiply my first two numbers. So 5 times 6. That one's done. And then the next step I do, I'll use a different color to show you, is my outside, my first to my outside. So 5 times 4 root 7. So I'll make a little note up here. 5 times 4. Oops, let me erase that. I don't know what's going on with my 4 there. So 5 times 4 root 7. Now remember, if I don't have a root, like if I don't, I want my numbers outside and my roots to be close to the same. And if I don't, then I need to assume that this is a 1. So this is like saying 5 times 4, which is 20, times the root of 7. So my next step then, and that is actually a negative because there's or a positive because that's a positive sign in there. So plus 20 root 7. Then my next step is to do my insides. So same thing, 6 times 3 root 7 is going to give me 18 root 7. And it's a negative because I have a negative 3 there. So I'm going to take away 18 root 7. And then my last step is to do my final numbers or my last outside numbers. So 3 root 7 times 4 root 7. These are nice because my roots are the same, so I can just go straight across. Equals 12. So 3 times 4 is 12 times the root of 49. And if you know off the top of your head, the square root of 49 is just 7. So this is like saying, I don't know what just happened there. So this is like saying, hang on a second, my Zoom is all messed up here. Let me get this back. So this is like saying the root of 7 here. So this is like saying 12 times 7, which gives me 89. And it's a negative because this is a negative, so 89. Then your next step is to combine like terms. So I'm going to grab a different color again. I'm going to grab a red here. I have like terms here. And then I also have like terms on the outside. I have a 30, which is, this is 30. And then I also have this negative 89. So 20 minus 18 gives me 2 root 7. And then 30 minus 89 gives me a negative 59. So my final answer is 2 root 7 minus 59.